Authoritative, confident, straight to the point. If you have a phone or a laptop, you can make $100 a day using AI. No experience, no degree, no expensive tools, just ChatGPT. And in this video, I'm going to show you a simple method beginners can start today that people are already getting paid for. Most people overcomplicate making money online. They think they need a big following, advanced skills, or months of learning. But the truth is, you just need to solve a problem using AI. So here's the exact method. Step 1. Pick a simple service. We're going to use ChatGPT to sell a service. Not a product, a service. Why? Because services pay faster. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options: writing social media captions, blog post writing, YouTube script writing. For this video, let's focus on YouTube scripts. Why? Because creators are lazy and they need content every day. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to do the work. Now, instead of writing everything yourself, you let ChatGPT do 90% of the work. Here's a simple prompt you can use. Write a high-retention YouTube script about blank with a strong hook, storytelling, and a clear structure. That's it. Within seconds, you get a full script. Now your job is simple. Clean it up, make it sound natural, add a little personality. This takes 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Find people who will pay. Now you need clients. Go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Instagram. Search for YouTuber, content creator, small business pages. Look for people posting consistently. These are your targets.